Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's Natea. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today we're gonna go into this hair, okay? So this is for you jungle braids, you know, butterfly jungle braids. So if you want to see how I achieve this style, how I achieve this look, just stay tuned and the video will be coming up next. Guys, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Like, if you watch my videos, just subscribe so you don't have to miss any, okay? Because I am trying to be consistent, so just support your girl, okay? Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on post notification, hit the bell so you don't miss a post whenever I post, okay guys? So yeah, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so let's get into the video. So this hair was sent to me by Re4U here on Amazon, and that is the package that it comes in. I think I got about 8 packs, and the hair is 24 inches. It's their butterfly slash jungle braids, and that's what the butterflies are looking like. They are perfectly made. The hair is super soft and super duper light. In the package I got 2 colors. I got the 1B slash green slash gray, and this silver, and this one is pretty cute. I did get a bonnet. That's a long bonnet so you can put your braids in. It did come with a little tie thingy as well, and that silk scungy or satin scungy, and you do get your crochet needle. So I'm just gonna start installing the hair. This is what the loop is looking like. The loop comes twisted, which makes it very easy to unravel, so you don't have to struggle with that. And it was pretty easy to install actually. I did not have any problem installing the hair. Everything about this hair was easy to work with. It did not have a lot of flyaways, if any at all, and as you guys can see, the installation is super duper easy. So you guys can just go ahead and watch the install. I've done 1,000,001 crochet videos. It's nothing new, so you guys go ahead, watch the install, and I'll see you guys once I am finished. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this hair, and I must say I really do like it. It is very lightweight. It feels like there's nothing on my head. Like honestly, it doesn't feel like there's anything on my head. I went ahead and did this little crisscross thing right here because, you know, we're trying to change up the looks and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So instead of having it all, you know, like that, I just kind of wanted it with a little something, you know, a little something. Alright guys, so this hair, again, it is from Re4U here on Amazon, and it's their 24 inches butterfly / jungle braids box braids. So I have it in 24 inches. It is very lightweight. As you guys can see from the hair, it has a lot of butterfly. Okay, it has a lot of butterfly. It was easy to install because the loop opened easily, like pretty easy. It's easy to install. The loops, the braids are not too thick, so they can go through your braids without causing damage to your hair, which I like. It is very lightweight. It feels like there's nothing on my head, which is a plus, and I like that, so that is good. Yeah, I did not wash the hair. It did come, it has a slight smell, but nothing crazy. So you could definitely, you know, wash it in some apple cider vinegar, soak it in apple cider vinegar water, or just soak it in some warm water and, you know, get rid of the scent. But I didn't have time for that, so, you know. Guys, listen, this is my second time doing this video because I did this video a day before today, like yesterday. When I got ready to edit the video, there were no footage. I don't know where it went. I tried to recover. I don't know, it was just lost. I don't know, so I had to do it all over. So as you guys saw, I had came with the back already done, and that was why because I had to wake up in the morning, remove the front, put makeup back on, and do it all over again. I haven't even had breakfast yet, to tell you. Okay, so yeah. So in the front, I did just put one piece of hair in each square that I had, and if there's space in between here, I will add another piece just to fill the gap. In the back, I did do 2 finger width apart. Did not show that because I've done 1,000,001 crochet videos, and I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing me doing the same thing over and over again. So yeah, so I just did 2 finger width apart. I put 2 fingers down, and then wherever that lands, I put a braid there, and that's how I did the back. Pretty easy. My hair was not freshly done. I mean, my braids were not freshly done. I'm having some real issues with my scalp, and I'm thinking maybe because it's winter, I don't know, but my scalp is always white and dry no matter how many times I oil it. I don't know. So I've been getting up in the morning and just putting water on my scalp. I think I might do it twice per day, morning and evening, just to help to hydrate. I'm trying to drink a lot more water. I'm used to drinking a lot of water, but I don't know, it's winter and I don't feel like drinking water because I don't sweat. You know, so yeah. Okay guys, back to the hair again. It is Re4U 24 inches jungle braids / butterfly box braids, and they're on Amazon. You can go ahead and check it out. All of this costs less than $40. I think it's 39 something for it, so that is very affordable. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and pick it up. I love the colors. They also have other colors that you can choose. So I have 1B, and this color is 1B / green / silver, and I kind of like that. I kind of wanted to try something different. I wanted a little color in my life, so I decided to roll with some color. Okay, so yeah guys, so that's it for this video. Let me just show you guys what the back looks like. So this is the back of my hair, the side, and then you guys already saw this side. Okay, so yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, like the hair, like the content, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, I'm obsessed with my hair. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to be the most authentic you. Peace. Keep slaying, queens.
The obvious reasons, true love is no longer in season. Who can you trust anymore? All they do is walk out the door. Eventually, you